Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the X-Action cable management box. So this is the package in which this particular product comes in. We have absolutely no information, so I will now cut this open and show you what's inside. So yeah, there you go. This is what you find inside the box. So this is a pretty big box for cable management. As you can see, there's a lot of space inside and there are a lot of holes and grooves, different holes and grooves for different kind of purpose. This is basically the underside. It should be like so. This is for use, so this is a cable management box that can be used at home or office, anywhere that has a desk and has a laptop near it. You can place it and you can use it. So the idea is that you can put a spike resistor right over here and the wires will come out of it, and then you put this lid on top to make sure that they're all stored in one place. The wires will come out of these holes over here on the side. So the thicker wires can come out of these areas over here, but the thinner ones can come out through these holes over here as well. Not just that, you see these grooves, these are good for placing your smartphone on it, say for instance like so, and then you can pull out a wire through here and put it to charge. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the X-Action cable management box. Thank you for watching.